John Staken. My position is Director of Sales and Design.
I'm Kenneth Yancey, and my job at Chervin is working with Cabinet Vision. Part of it is training new staff and also providing updates for our different locations.
I'm Paul Martin, and I'm the Production Innovation Manager.
Core values, to honor God and to improve our company. It's out of that flows desire to do your best, right? We've used the golden means of perfection that we use, and it's a combination of the golden rule and the mathematical principle of the golden ratio, and we just kind of combine the two. The idea of the golden rule is to treat our customers the way we'd want to be treated as a customer. Even a bit further than that, I would say, is to treat them the way they want to be treated. It's been fun watching the whole thing evolve. I remember, before we even had the software to do what we're able to do now with Cabinet Vision, being able to see that evolve over the years from that we couldn't design in the program.
So cabinets have got quite a bit more custom over the years, and Cabinet Vision has allowed us to create custom material schedules, create a new material applied to the schedule, and then when staff set up their jobs, they can use that material schedule.
Yeah, it didn't take long with Cabinet Vision until you realized how powerful that program was compared to what we had been using. The potential that program had, was realized very soon in the process.
So when I first started here, part of my job was actually cutting the kitchens out on a table saw. Since then, we've integrated Cabinet Vision with our CNC routers, and that has greatly improved the yield that we can get from our sheets of plywood.
Seeing it evolve from drawing on a piece of plywood to what we have now in Cabinet Vision with Vortec, it's come a long way. The beauty of Cabinet Vision, again, that each cabinet company can customize in a lot of ways how they do their cabinetry. So the advantage, especially a client that can't envision their space, doesn't quite know what they want in design, you're always taking their space, their window, door locations, all that, and you have to make it theirs. And Vortec, from what was in the rendering program for Cabinet Vision, it was way better than what we had before, but Vortec just took it to a whole nother level. And also just ease of use. Like,
we can export our drawing from Cabinet Vision to Vortec, and within Vortec we can apply different textures to the countertops, make the cabinets a different color.
Easier to use, like pulling, obviously the colors, like the rendering time is just like almost zero, right? So that's much more value that's attributed to the drawing part of it, for sure. They see the value in that. The fact that we can produce a design and a drawing like this that looks very realistic, but then on the back end are all there as well. Because a lot of the programs, you can make something look really pretty, but you don't have the option, then you have to take it and convert it to another program to be able to get it to manufacturing, whereas this has it all in one package.
We take the renderers from Vortec and bring it back into Cabinet Vision to provide the final package.
I drew him a golden paper house.
We would very much like to get to a point of being paperless. Right now, we're spending a lot of time double checking, printing off a tremendous amount of paperwork. It's a waste of time, and often they're looking for information and are searching in multiple locations for it within our current structure, and spending a lot of time just looking for information versus
being able to maintain consistent a group of employees that are going to be there every day, because it's becoming more of a challenge, and so it does force you to look into the automation side of things more, for sure.
One of the biggest challenges with growing as quickly as we have is opening ourselves up to go from a small shop mentality to a big shop mentality, and to learn to share more information between ourselves instead of keeping that tribal knowledge.